around us. Hello friends. Hi Dodo.
Hi, Jia.
Friends, do you know what is habitat?
Jia, I know about habitat. The natural surrounding where an animal lives is called habitat.
Wow, Dodo, you are right. Animals that live in natural surroundings are called wild animals. For example, lion, elephant, bear, tiger. Dodo, do you know there are some animals that we keep in our homes and these are called domestic animals?
Really, Jia? Can you tell me?
Yeah, why not? Domestic animals are cat, camel, dog, donkey. Friends, I hope now you know about domestic animals.
Jia, you know animals are useful to us in many ways.
Yes, Dodo, they work in fields, they pull carts and carry loads and give us meat, milk, eggs and fibers.
Jia, can you tell me which type of animals do these work?
Yes, Dodo. Oxen, buffaloes, horses and camels are made to carry loads. We get wool from sheep. Silkworms give us silk. Silkworms live in the mulberry bush and eat mulberry leaves. Bees give us honey. So friends, I hope you now know about all different kinds of animals around us.
So, do revise and practice. Bye-bye.
Thank you.